kids, welcome back. Dear students, today we will study the concept of trees. See, it is from your book from page number 40 to 43. Number 1, the growing of a plant. Number 2, things we get from trees. Dear students, I told you that trees are our best friends. Now, let us see here. One girl, Radha and Raghu, they are talking about plants. Let us see what are they talking. She is Radha and he is Raghu. This girl is Radha, this boy is Raghu. Now, Radha is saying, I'm eating spinach, curry and peas plow. And see, my plate is a big banana leaf. Now Raghu is saying, your lunch is all green, Radha. What are you eating? Yeah, I do not like eating plants at all. Raghu is saying, I do not like eating plants at all. Really? Now Radha is saying, really? So what is that you are having? Now she is asking to this boy, what is that you are having? Now he is saying, oh, just tea and biscuit. He is telling that he is eating tea and biscuits only. Well, your drink comes from leaves and your biscuits come from wheat plants, dear Raghu. Radhika is telling to Raghu that tea is coming from leaves and biscuits come from wheat plants. Then Raghu says, it does not. Wow, it does. He is saying it does. Wow. Dear students, most of the food that we eat comes from plants. Vegetables, fruit. You can see here in the picture. Vegetables, fruits. They come from plants. The vegetables we eat come from different parts of the plant. Most vegetables need to be cooked before being eaten. And fruits, they also come from plants. Fruits come from flowers. Most fruits are eaten raw. Eating fresh fruit is very good for health. Students, you see here, tip of the day is written. Eating fresh fruit is very good for health. Students, now you can see here other uses of trees. Trees are our friends. Trees are our friends. See, here birds are sitting in the nest on the tree. They make their home on the tree. And it is also very useful for cows to sleep or to stand in shade. See, boys sitting under the shade. Trees gives us shade. And here is a house. It is also made by wood because doors and windows are made from wood. See here, wood. In our rooms, bedroom, bed, sofa, also we can make from wood. See, medicine, this is medicine. It also comes from trees. And see, book, it is made of paper. Paper comes from trees. See, how many benefits are of trees? Really, trees are our best friend. But we have to know how do plants grow, students. In book on page number 40, here we can see the growing of a plant. Let us see here seed germination. Plant comes from a seed. These are seeds. These are seeds. See, here are different stages of growing of plant. See, in first stage it is a seed. Then it is a seedling. Then it is a baby plant. After baby plant, here is a bud of flower. After bud, it is a growing flower. And from flower comes fruits. Students, here are different stages of a growing of a plant. Now let us read more about it on page number 40. Cinderella and Prince Charming grow plant. They are growing plant. Let us follow them to grow a plant. First, what are they doing? They are adding seed to the soil. They are adding seed to the soil. After that, water the seeds daily. When we grow seed and we have to water the seeds daily. Rain comes and helps the plants to grow. Rain comes and helps the plants grow. Sun shines on the plant. See, here is sun. Sun shines on the plants. Then the plants grow flower. Student, this is the way of growing of a plant. Now, page number 41. Number these stages of a plant growth in order from 1 to 5. You can see here Cinderella. Cinderella, what is she doing? She decorates the vase with flowers plucked from a plant. These are flowers. She has plucked flowers from a plant. Now she is decorating the flower vase. See, you can see in the picture. Now on page number 42, already I have taught you right now things we get from trees. Let us read from book. Tina makes a list of items on a paper we get from the trees. Let us learn about the things we get from trees. Fruits, vegetables, flowers, logs. These are wooden logs. Then paper. Children, now on page number 43, there is an exercise for you to do. Tina and Naveen make themselves a wooden boat. See, this is a wooden boat. You can see in the picture. Here is Tina and Naveen. Now we have to tick the items that we get from trees. It will be done by you, students. Okay. Now you have to do these pages from book. I will also share these pages with you to do in your notebook. Dear students, you have to write the names of the things which we get from plants. You have to observe in your surroundings that which things are given by trees to us. Okay, children? Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye, children.